Hi guys and welcome back to the motor department. In this episode I'm trying to change my tires just with the stock tools that came with the car for the first time on my own. Let's see how it goes. But first let's see what tools we even have here. So if I get to the car, we do have a car jack, a manual car jack, and we have this wrench here to loosen the bolts, and it has a pointy and sharp tip. I don't know yet what this is for. I guess I will find out. So let's get going and get these winter tires off to get some fresh summer tires. Okay, but first I have to get the Jimny on level ground because, as you can see here, the ground is very uneven, loose. There are loose rocks and it's a little bit tilted, which you can see on camera. So I'm just gonna roll it back here a few meters, that I'm on the flat terrain. Alright, let's put it in gear. Handbrake is on. Okay, so let's see. I need this one first, because I've heard that you should loosen the bolts first. Oh, it's very tight. Oh my god. That's very tight. Feels like I'm gonna break something. I hope I'm not breaking anything. That sounded horrible. Okay, but it is loosening a little bit, at least. I hope I don't do anything wrong here. Jesus Christ. Sounds horrific. Okay. Now we have to get it jacked up. Okay, for this I got the jack, and maybe, as you can see here, there is a point where I should put the scissor jack, and I think I found this point already, and it's right here, this little knob you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack the jack up as far as possible. And then place it down here. Can still pull it up with my thumb. And let's see if I can hit this one. Alright, there we go. Turn up. Okay. Guys, we got a lift. See this? Yes! The wheel is turning, that's awesome. So let's get this one and let's loosen the tire. Okay, let's see. This works now. Okay. Perfect. Yes. Okay. I think now losing the screws with my hands Yes! That's perfect. Okay. Well, it's still very, very dirty, but that doesn't matter now, because first I have to get the extra tire, the summer tire. Okay, let's get this guy to the side here. That's it. Super, super dirty. From the day I rode off-road in the off-road park. There's a lot of mud still on here. Because it's very difficult to clean here, so maybe I should clean this, but not today. Let's get the spare tire first. Let's get the first one. And they are labeled. That's HR, so on the right side at the rear. But because all the tires are the same, I'm going to switch them around. Let's put this tire on. Okay. Looking good, looking good. Okay. And let's do the same thing in reverse now. Let's get the 5 bolts. Screw them on by hand. Oh wait. Isn't there a specific way the tire should turn? Or doesn't it make a difference? You know, because of the thread, I think. Does the tire need to turn that way? Because right now it doesn't. Let's go to the garage and see if the tires are actually different. Okay, this one shows to the right. Let's see here. To the right, to the right, to the right. Okay, no, they all show in the same direction. And the pattern is also exactly in the same direction. Okay, so there isn't any difference. Let's see. Is it on good? Yes. And now I have to get them tight. Very important. Across always. So the wheel can find its position properly. So now the problem is that I do not have a torque wrench where I can perfectly see if the torque is correct. I can just turn them so that my hands are tightening them. Okay, looks about right. Okay, so this was successful. Now I just have to get the jack down again, which should be easy, and then repeat 4 times until I have all my tires changed. I just put the second tire on and I realized something. Because what is going on here? The center cap is missing. I was like, huh? At the first tire, is it missing too? No, it's actually not missing. And I was confused and I was like, okay, so the center cap was on the wheel in the garage. But if I look here, the other ones don't have a center cap. So now I'm confused. It seems like the center cap stayed on the front wheel, but not on the rear one. And now I see differences because in the front we have bolts holding it in, and it is like outside of the actual wheel. So you see there's a little gap between this one and the wheel itself, and at the rear we have this one. It's made out of plastic, not out of metal, and it's not screwed in. It is here, but I don't know, do I get it out with force? Yes, looks like it. So as always, you see it's a little bit rusted on the edges. So that's why it's missing here. But can I just click it in like this? That's super weird. Okay, so I think I will put this on the wheel first, and then I put the wheel on the car. Okay, looks sturdy. Okay, looks good. Let's get the nuts. Okay, I'm done now, but I've learned a few things that I want you to know. So the thread direction is a thing, because the winter tires that the Jimny was on, these have a specific direction of travel where the thread is working of the tire, and so you have to definitely look out for that. The stock tires, however, that I put on now, the summer tires, these do not have a specific direction, so look out for that. Also, the thing that I have to do next is after 50 to 100 kilometers or miles, I have to check again if the bolts are still locked in. And the best method is, of course, to have a torque wrench where you can directly set the torque that you need to apply from the ownership manual, and then you get a click and you know the tire is definitely on correctly. So right now I'm gonna take my first drive. I have to run some errands. As you see, I sold a lot of stuff in my garage to make space for a new project car that I'm gonna reveal in some of the next videos. So see you then. Bye bye.